I'd like to separate tech into two buckets. There is the discovery of new knowledge, which can include what you might think of as an understanding of the possibilities of engineering that knowledge. That, I just can't accept that that is ever bad for humanity, for us to learn more about the world, including an understanding of how to make engineering on top of that understanding. And then there's the realization of that understanding about the world, the ability to engineer the world in various ways. And while the first is, I think, never a problem for humanity to learn about the world and to learn about how to engineer on top of that understanding, of course, yes, there's possibilities for us to create specific instantiations of that engineering that are bad for the world. But distinguishing between those two is critical, because the knowledge, the ability to make things, that is what makes humanity better, full stop. And then, of course, we have to be responsible about what we design and how we get it out into the world, and not being responsible can lead to bad things.